It is just a 3-step process to fix 0x800704cf error in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type Windows PowerShell. Right click here and select Run as Administrator. Copy this command from the description below. And right click here, go to edit and click on paste and hit enter. It will take some time. Then close this window and again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and click on run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Then type these commands carefully: nat stop wauserv and hit enter. Then type nat stop crypt svc and hit enter. Then type nat stop bits and hit enter. Then type nat stop msi server and hit enter. Then type this renc:/windows/software distribution space software distribution.old and hit enter. Then type renc:/windows/system32/catroon2 space catroon2.old and hit enter. Then type nat start wauserv and hit enter. Then type nat start crypt svc and hit enter. Again type nat start bits and hit enter. Then type nat start msi server and hit enter. Okay, finally type exit to close the command prompt. Again go to search bar and type PowerShell. Right click here and click on run as administrator. Now type this command wauclt.exe/update now and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process. Then type exit to close it. Again go to search bar and type cmd. Right click on it, click on run as administrator. Then type this command scconfig wauserv start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type scconfig bits start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type scconfig crypt svc start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type scconfig trusted installer start equal to auto and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt. Then go to start icon, then click on settings. Now click on apps. Now click here and search for store. Then select it and click on advanced option. Then click here to reset. Okay, now close this. Again go to search bar and type store. Then click here. Okay, that's it guys. Your problem is solved. You're good to go.